What is up, everybody? Back with another pair of Lowheat. It's been a minute, so if you're watching this video, I appreciate you. Please subscribe, keep you up to date on all the unboxings I do, and if you like them, hit me in the comments for other content to do. Kind of put a, need to do some other content other than unboxing, so drop what you want to see and maybe I'll get on that. So either way, it's been a minute, so I appreciate you tuning in for this one. What do we got today? You already know from the thumbnail and the title, but we got the Nike Air Max Ishod Verdy Quick Strike QS Quick Strike. This is the Verdy collab, the aka Visty, which we'll get into a little bit, but I got a size 12. This is the official colorways are blue gaze and light Arctic pink. So I picked these up today in hand from an actual skate shop, Val Surf, out here in Southern California. Got the raffle, hit on the raffle. It's September 19th. I think these drop today or tomorrow, this weekend at skate shops. Anyways, I got them today. They called me up. I signed up for these because I figured I had no shot at the dunks. Everyone was probably going to sign up for the dunks. And I really liked these from the photos. So I went with the Ishods. I don't have a pair, so really liked them from the photos. So took my, played the percentage game, and I came up with a W. So I think well played on my part. Shouts out to Val Surf. Felt good to support a local skate shop, hit on a raffle, get the pair that's not the dunks, first pair of Ishods. Ishod Wear is a Nike professional skater. You probably already know this, but for those of you who don't, Nike professional skater, real clean style. I'll go check out his clips. Check out his clips on Instagram and on YouTube and stuff. So before you guys all click away, I'm going to open these, and there's a lot to talk about. I'm going to try them on. Plenty to talk about, so once I unveil them, please don't go. Spoiler, I did snap a quick pic for the gram with these, so this isn't my pure first reaction right here. I have seen them. I have held them briefly. Got the gram pic. Follow me on Instagram at Lowheat Fancy Pants. It's in the channel, in my channel description if you're having trouble, but please follow me on Instagram. All right, here we go. So these retailed for, I think, $110. In California with tax, it was like, $120. These are selling out. So if you want them, go for them tomorrow or this weekend, because these are selling out. Now, the resale price, I don't think is going to be crazy, but if you want them for like retail, these aren't going to be lingering on shelves, I don't think. Oof, there they are. Isn't that a dope colorway? Like, it just hits you. Like, I'm in my bedroom here, and I do have a ring light on these, and I have all my house lights on, but like in the sunlight, this gives off a little darker shade, but they are, in sunlight, a little lighter in tone. But just like, look at that. There's a lot to take in here. So this is Ishod Wear's second signature model with Nike. And I prefer this to his first model. This is like, how cool is that? If you're a skater, this is like his own Air Max. This is like technically an Air Max. You see the exposed air bubble right there. A little foggy or a little scratched. No big deal. If you're going to skate these, you're going to get foggy and scratched anyway, so I don't really care that much. Not that I'm going to skate these a ton. Like, I do own a skateboard. I don't skate much. I do own a skateboard. I don't skate much. I'm not good, and I won't be skating these. But, used to skate back in high school. I was terrible. So, pretty much a poser, but I love skate culture, watch skate videos, have skated, do own a skateboard. So, my toe is in the arena. Don't hate on me. I can't do a kickflip. I could closer to doing a heel flip. Anyways, I digress. But how cool is it if you're a pro skater and you have your own Air Max? This is like the Ishod Air Max. That's what this silhouette and model is called. Now, his first shoe was okay. I didn't love, it's got that squiggly mid panel, and it's kind of like it's very much akin to a low top. It's almost kind of got that, it's got that Janowski kind of feel to it, kind of a little bit Vans, Nike Kill Shot. This is a little bit more, if you took an Air Max and combined it with a Dunk and a little bit of the DNA of his former shoe, it's kind of like that. It's kind of like the first shoe plus an Air Max plus a Dunk. You got this ventilated mid panel that was kind of like, on his first shoe. So they stuck with that kind of design language. Got these nice little lace loops here. Love the yellow laces. And here, we'll point out the materials first. That's the easy thing to go through, and then we'll go kind of colors. But you got a very mix of materials here. You kind of got the separated midsole, but here you got some like suede, some corduroy. That's cool on the toe cap, the mud guard here, and on the heel. A little bit of dirt there. And quality control issues. This stuff doesn't like get me all bent out of shape. I know some people hate this stuff, but like they're gonna get dirty as soon as you wear them. Nike SB on the heel. Then you got some like soft nubuck here on the upper in this green. You got his name here, alternating on the side. That's cool. That's dope. You got what is this, like almost like kind of ripstoppy nylon weave tongue and around the ankle there. Kind of a little bit more durable for skating. And yeah, you got the protective lace loops here. These are like almost like faux leather, plasticky, help protect the lace loops for all your flick tricks. A little more reinforced so you don't burn through them. Nike's off-centered Nike swoosh there, and you got Ishod on the tongue. More nubuck on the top of the tongue. Very cool. Very love it. There's the outsole. Got the Air Max symbol right there. A tiny pink swoosh there. I mean, these are dope. Softer, maybe suede up top here. I like this little hit of pink on the top of the tongue. There's just all these little accents that really set it off. So you got the great layers, these waves of colors here. A little tiny Nike swoosh on the front. You know, alternating between the green. And this is almost that, what is that? That lunar recycled material. It almost looks like, I don't know if it really is. Kind of looks like gum rubber here on the toe and the heel. But you have all these accents here, like the pink Nike here, the pink Nike swoosh here that's embroidered around the outside that just set things off, you know? The little accent here, the contrasting blue lace and the yellow laces, blue lace loops, white Nike there. Just really, I love the colorways on these, and that's why these are gonna, you know, I think these are gonna sell out. They're going currently for a little above retail. Nothing crazy, but like everyone wants to get something for retail, especially if you're getting these online afterwards on the resale market. These all come with Nike SB stickers, by the way, which is dope. You know, they list it for like 20 above retail, 30 above retail, 150 or whatever it is. But, you know, once you include shipping and fees and taxes, you know, I'd feel bad paying $200 for like, you know, $100 retail shoe. But, you know, it could be worse. So these are exceptionally fire. I have so many Nike SB Dunks. I threw these on for the video. I actually haven't worn these yet. Just threw them on for the video. I did an unboxing of these already. Check that out. But I have so many SB Dunks. I didn't, you know, I want the Verdy Dunks, of course. I'll try for them on sneakers, and I tried to enter a few raffles, but like, that's why I'm happy I got these. These, I do not know. I mean, it's crazy the times we're in. This would have been a $400 SB 4 years ago. These are so clean. These are sick. And I think you can find these on sale some places maybe, or for retail or sitting or on the secondary market for cheap. These are sick. I do not like, it's crazy. Just because these aren't reselling, they are sitting. But that's a great, great SB. Love this shoe. Back to these though. Just no secondary laces, it looks like, on these though, unfortunately. That's kind of a bummer, but you know, we are only paying $110 for the shoe. You know, it would have been sick. I think the Dunks come with extra laces, but those, I think the retail's a little higher. So yeah, this shoe is a collaboration with Verdy, who's a Japanese artist and designer. I'm not sure, you might already know this, but Japanese artist and designer, and he has a character, an illustration character that he made up called Visty, and you can see him on the insole here. We'll take out, see if this is easy to take out. Not sure if it is. I always hate taking these out because I'm afraid they like glue them. Sometimes they glue them in and then you rip stuff, and I'm too OCD for that. You know, I don't like ripping out things, but we'll do it for you guys. Please subscribe. I do it for you. But yeah, here's his character illustration, Visty. So you got a like Zoom Air insole here. That's cool. I rarely pull these out, so it's kind of cool looking at the actual insole here. Men's 12. But that's the character there on the insole. Verdy, Ishod. Verdy's done another Nike SB. He did the Girls Don't Cry SB. That's like his brand. So, there's a history with Verdy. And Ishod has, like, other than his signature shoe, he has, I think, a couple dunks. And man, did I want that Ishod wear Magnus Walker Nike SB Dunk High. Or was it an SB? I assume it was because it was with Ishod. But that Dunk High, that kind of that vintage cracked leather based on the Magnus Walker's Porsche 911. Oh my God. Those are fire. I did not hit on those. Unfortunately, resale on them, it actually is still kind of high. My buddy, he got a pair used for a really good price, and they are sick. I love that. And apparently other people do too, because the resale on them is still pretty high. But I love that Ishod wear Nike SB dunk with Magnus Walker. That is one of the better dunks from, the modern era. And I like dunk highs too, so I'm partial to dunk highs actually. I know a lot of people prefer the lows, but I like the dunk highs. And that one, I don't know, top dunk high for me of recent memory. Top. I wish I had it. All right, let's put these on quick. I'm not going to lace them up. Take too long. I don't want to edit this video, but let's put these on. I'm a size 11.5. I usually, if I don't know the model and I'm not going to be able to try it on, I usually go hit the stop button by accident. If I don't know if I haven't tried on the shoe or don't know the model well, I go half size up to be safe because I can wear a size 12. So that's what I did here. I sized up just to be safe. I've had too many incidents, cutting it close, either going half size down or going true to size, and it's just tight. In my old age, I am not about that life. I am not about that life of being uncomfortable, having too tight of shoes. So when in doubt, I go half size up, and I'm usually not disappointed. I can handle too much room. That's fine. I can't handle tightness, too much, too tight of shoes. I can't do that anymore. That was, in my 14 through 24, I could handle that. Not anymore. So I think these feel a little narrow. I have like plenty of toe. I'm not standing up, but I have plenty of toe space. But I would be wary of going true to size for me. If you can, try these on at a skate shop or try on the Ishod Air Max and then get your sizing first. Like, let's say you really want these and you're gonna buy these on the resale market. Just go to a skate shop, try on a pair of these, get your sizing, and then pay, above resale. Otherwise, do like me, go half size up, because for me, it's not about the length. The length seems like I have like plenty of room, if not too much room, but I'm not performance skating in these for one. And B, I just don't want this area too tight. So I think if I would have gone true to size, these would have been too cramped around like my like knuckles of my toes and feet and the upper. I'm happy with my decision to go half size up. And these are fire on feet, right? Let me know in the comments what you think, but this is like a perfect spring, like summer shoe. These should have come out in spring, really. Perfect spring and summer shoe. I wear them any time of the year, of course, but like I'm definitely going to probably stock these for the moment. Maybe I wear them because these just dropped. Maybe I go around town, flex a little bit for if you're in the know, if you know type thing. But then I'm putting these away, and I'm gonna bring these out back in the spring. Damn, these are dope. Like, I'm starting to think about the rating, like my rating of these, and like for a non-legacy silhouette or model, like this is high marks. Like, this is a relatively new model, right? New silhouette. I like the pull tab here and the exposed air in the heel. You know, I didn't say enough on that, but the little bit of exposed air in the heel, that's kind of unique. I like that. Reinforced rubber back here. Little corduroy hits. This is a really sweet, really dope shoe. I like this kind of, the ventilation on the toe box, kind of a little design there. Not just the perforated holes that you typically get, like here, you know, that's normally what you get. So just a really sick shoe. Let's see here. Reinforced, like, oh, those lace loops are go all the way down the side like that. So just kind of cool seeing the guts of it, kind of like the skeleton of the shoe. Yeah. Do I give these, do these break 9 territory? I don't know if these break 9 territory. You know what? What the hell? I think these are 9. 9 out of 10. Love the colorway. It's a collab, you know, that you don't often see on, they generally do this, you know, if you want to push a model more, you get a collab in on it. So that's, I know it's a marketing tactic, but I mean, it's smart. Like, I mean, is that a dumb move? No. Like, you know, they do this with Union and they do it with others. They'll drop like a legacy type retro model, and then they'll also do their same spin with a drop, the same pack with a newer model to generate interest and awareness of that model. So, like, you know, it is what it is. I love it. 9. I give them a 9. Let me know in the comments what you think about this pack, what you think about the dunks, what you think about these. Would you try to go for? Did you try to go for both? Just these, just the dunks? Love to hear your feedback. And, you know, let me know about ideas for other videos, and maybe I'll get around to doing them. So appreciate you sticking with me. Appreciate you watching. There's a lot of other channels you could watch, a lot of other unboxing videos you could watch. So I appreciate you watching this one, especially if you're sticking around to the end. Yeah. Peace.